A dirty cabin filter restricts airflow, making the AC seem weak. Located behind the glove box, it's easy to replace. Tesla recommends replacing it every 12,000 to 15,000 miles. A new filter can drastically improve airflow and cooling performance. Neglecting the cabin filter puts extra strain on the AC system. Tesla's software updates, such as version 2025.4, include advanced AC diagnostic tools accessible through the Tesla mobile app. These tools allow you to run self-diagnostic tests directly from your smartphone to check for issues like low refrigerant levels or sensor failures. To access the diagnostic test, open the Tesla app on your phone and navigate to the Vehicle Controls section. Select the AC Diagnostics option to begin the automated testing process. The diagnostic test will automatically scan your vehicle's AC system, measuring refrigerant pressure, checking temperature sensors, and verifying electrical connections. This comprehensive check can identify problems before they become major issues. Recent software updates, like the 2025.4 release, have enhanced these diagnostic capabilities. You can view the release notes in the app to see what's been improved. If the diagnostic identifies a software-related issue, the app may provide an over-the-air update to fix it immediately. This has resolved AC problems for over 70% of affected Model 3 owners without requiring a service visit. For more detailed system information, you can also access the HVAC diagnostic interface directly on your vehicle's touchscreen in service mode, which displays real-time pressure readings and system diagrams. The AC compressor in Tesla Model 3 is powered by the high-voltage battery. It can fail due to voltage fluctuations or electrical shorts, especially in high-mileage vehicles over 100,000 miles. If the compressor isn't running, check the vehicle's ECU, electronic control unit, and temperature sensors. These components require professional diagnosis due to high-voltage risks. If the troubleshooting steps from previous sections haven't resolved your Tesla Model 3's AC issue, it's time to seek professional help by contacting a Tesla service center. AC repairs in Tesla vehicles can be quite complex, particularly due to the integration of high-voltage electrical components that power the system. Certified Tesla technicians have the specialized tools and training to properly diagnose electrical faults and repair hardware components in the AC system. Using certified service also ensures that your vehicle warranty remains fully valid for any covered repairs. Attempting DIY repairs on the AC system could potentially void your warranty and may lead to further damage if not done correctly.